Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make finger-licking Nigerian lumpy egusi soup with 3 vegetables. You're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching. The first thing you're going to do is to put your washed meat in a pot, then add chopped onions, add seasoning cube, little salt, give it a mix and cook on a low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add your shake, then you add water, and cook for 10 minutes. So here I have crayfish and dawadawa. I'm going to be grinding it together. And here I have smoked fish. I'm going to wash and debone it. So here is the grinded crayfish and dawadawa. Then the fish, add Kpomo, then give it a good mix. Add chopped onions, add more water, and cook for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, remove the protein and set aside. Set this aside, then you add more water, leave to boil. So while that is boiling, this is the ground egusi with little dry chili pepper, and this is called Ero Usu. Is a thickener. Then add the Ero Usu to the ground egusi. We are making lumpy egusi soup, guys. So give it a good mix. Then add water and mix. So we're going to make lumpy egusi soup, and this water we added, we want to have a dough, like we need an egusi dough, if that makes sense. Okay, so add little water to form a dough with the egusi. Then this is it. So back to our soup, add palm oil. Then this is the egusi. Add the egusi in bits, like so. Don't stir, cover, and leave for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to press down the egusi. So press the egusi lumps. With this, you can achieve that lumpy kind of egusi soup. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. add fresh pepper, coarsely blended fresh pepper, then you give it a mix. So this is the protein, add it back. And give it a stir. So why we removed the protein was because we are going to press the lumpy egusi. Okay, so that was why we set the protein aside. Okay. Leave for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give it a mix again. Add seasoning cube, salt to taste, so guys, this is shredded ukazi leaves. We are going to wash it, then add the ukazi leaves, so cover for 2 minutes. Then the next leaf is shredded ugu leaves. That's the next vegetable, the second vegetable rather. So wash and shred it. Then the third is shredded Uziza leaves. That is the third vegetable. Guys, you're going to love this egusi soup recipe. It was so delicious. So give it a very good mix. Be careful because of the protein inside, okay? So add little water if it's too thick. Cover and leave for another 2 minutes. So our soup is almost ready. Give it a stir. Delicious. So it's almost ready, as you guys can see. Remove from heat. Ooh, guys, you're going to love this egusi soup recipe. You are going to love it. Please make sure you try it out. So if you want that kind of lumpy egusi soup, not just lumpy, delicious, tasty, like finger licking, give this recipe a try, and I know you're going to love it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.